Hey guys, welcome back to the Vanity. So today we're going to do a video on a new product. That's why I'm here without the rest of my makeup on. What we're testing out is these cold wax brow strips. It's by Andmetics. It says Andrea Lehner Cosmetics brow wax strips, and it looks like it is, I think it was an Australian cosmetic company that started this. And the gist of it is you're just supposed to have simple at-home waxing for your brows. So let's just go ahead and get into testing this out. Okay, so I purposely have not been tweezing my brows just for this. So they come in a little pack like this, and those are the strips. They also have finishing wipes here. So let's just get you guys in a little bit closer. Looks like this one, I'm not sure which this one is for, because that is definitely not the brow strip. It's too big. So here is the shape of the brow strip, if you can see that. Okay, so I've peeled the two strips apart, but they kind of curl up like this. So I'm going to try and put one back down on its little plastic thing, but do be careful because if it sticks to it, then the wax is going to be of no use. So then you're just supposed to position the strips with the points, nose side and temple side. So the temple side is these, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's two dots on one side, one dot on the other. So the two dots is supposed to go on the temple side. So I believe this one would go over here. Yep. Okay, so let's do this other side here, get this lined up. So then once we got it into position, press firmly on the strip and then remove the strips, obviously going in the opposite direction of the hair growth. So let's try it. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this got off a lot of peach fuzz. And there's still a few hairs left behind, but it definitely did a good job of cleaning up all that peach fuzz that you can't really tweeze out. 1, 2, 3. And this again, it got a few of the bigger hairs, a lot of the peach fuzz, but as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, I've got some longer coarse hairs that are still left behind here. So I'll still have to do some tweezing. All in all though, my thoughts on this is I think I kind of actually still think it's a good idea. It's gonna allow you to wax at home, which is nice. I'll have to look up exactly how much this is and leave it on the screen here for you guys. Again, you do get the 4 applications in the one box. You also get this guy here, which I believe would be for the middle strip. I'm not sure what the other long part of it is, because it didn't really tell me what that one is. And it comes with, obviously, 4 wipes for each application. I mean, it comes with like crazy instructions in every single language. You can do brows, they have upper lip, the nose bridge, which we were talking about right here. It looks like they make strips to wax your ears and your toes, the tops of your toes if you wanted to do that. They've got a wide range of applications for this, and honestly, it's really, I mean, as far as waxing, it still kind of feels a little bit like waxing. You can see that I'm a little bit pink, which I generally am after waxing, and I don't have to wait for my wax pot to warm up. But all in all, I'm going to give this product a thumbs up. Okay, real quickly, I wanted to pop on here, guys, and tell you that I was able to find the website where to purchase them from, because I think you can get them overseas as well. So I was finding a website that wasn't for the States, but I will link everything that I find, again, in the description bar below. But I was able to quickly find a price, which I see that the brow strips that I was sent are $15.95 for the pack, which is not too bad because you get 4 applications. So, you know, that'll last you a couple of months. I, as you can see, did my makeup, and I really feel like it did a good job of getting all that peach fuzz out of there. A couple of my really stubborn coarse hairs did not lift up. So if you do have stubborn coarse hair, just be aware that some of those may not come up with the wax strip, but it does kind of you know, makes it really easy to just tweeze those out at the same time. And again, gets rid of all that peach fuzz, which is the major problem for me because I've been waxing and tweezing my brows for so long. They pretty much stay the way that they are supposed to stay, the way that I like them shaped. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video though anyway, and I wanted to pop back on here and tell you about the price. The website that I found them on was beautyroundtheclock.com. I will link that website as well as the brand's Facebook page. It looks like they have men's brow strips. They have brow brushes, brow highlighter, brow mascara, brow powder, and then they also sell the like upper lip wax strip, which is $14.95. I'm kind of interested in that, so I may actually pick that up as well as a refill for these. But yeah, thanks again for joining.